Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Matt Gifted Hands, and I am here in my hotel in Connecticut, Hartford, Connecticut. That is CT BARBER EXPO 2019. Last night was the Grammy Awards, and I just want to say shout out to Chris Bazio, man, 360 GZ, Vic Blends, and I just want to say congratulations to y'all, man. A lot of hard work, dedication, and things that you do for this industry, man. Thank you. We're gonna launch the ecosystem at the Tune 45 booth, and we're also launching the power clips that you attach to your clippers. That way they can charge wirelessly. So it's just gonna be crazy, man, this year. So see y'all at the booth. Yo, Tune Squad. Yo,
what's good?
It's almost game time, fellas. Y'all ready? It's almost game time, fellas.
Go for this.
We got to clear all this up, but you know, this is in the making, behind the scenes, everything that goes down. 745, baby.
You ever think you would see your name on this shit?
Yo, that is crazy. Time lapse. I got Reds killed that. Guard from the.
That's crazy.
I'm telling you, do a thumbnail like that, but you have to get. Definitely gotta get.
The calm before the storm. Look at the line. We're right here in the front entrance.
Houston, we have a problem.
Back on both sides, straight back on both sides.
Here's the line, the line's starting.
Please leave room on the walkway.
What up, baby? We out here. We out here. Before the colors.
To a male first, Matt first fail.
Matt Gifted Hands is playing the compressor right now live in front of the booth.
Yeah.
There goes that power. Again, guys, we got lines on both sides of the booth, going.
Okay, Matt, what happened with the first time, bro?
Guys, do not cut through the mats. The line reaches on both sides.
Guys, so if you saw in the beginning on the first try, it was not spraying. You have to maintenance and clean your funnel after every use with alcohol. Don't use water. Use alcohol to clean the funnel. Run it through. Keep running it after you see it stop spraying. That way it stays dry, and then apply the color.
Live demo going on the compressor right now in the front. Mr. Matt Gifted Hands.
I just want to make sure you hang out blurs, man. I'm telling you. Keep treating it good.
Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem.